If you want to insert a SIM card into Google Pixel 10a, it is pretty straightforward. We're gonna take a look at the left side of the phone, and you should be able to find the SIM tray over here. We also have this SIM tray hole, and we need to use the SIM eject tool that you can find inside the box in order to put it into this hole over here. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it into this hole. There we go. And once it is in, you want to push it into the phone with a little bit of force, just a little bit of pressure, in order to make the SIM tray slightly pop out. Afterwards, you can use your fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray completely from the phone. This is how the SIM tray looks like. We have just one physical SIM card slot. So in this case, I'm gonna just insert my SIM card into the phone, into the SIM tray, sorry. Put it all the way in, of course, make sure that it doesn't stick out from the SIM tray. This is quite important because otherwise you will have trouble with sliding the SIM tray back into the phone. And this is what we're gonna do next. We need to put it back into the phone with our SIM card. Just push it all the way in and make sure that it goes all the way in. It should not stick out at all, in order to, of course, avoid causing damage to the phone later on. And that is all. Leave a like and subscribe.